Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Understand Quran and Salah the easy way 3-minute series lesson number 22b, in which we will learn the pointers for feminine forms. By the end of this lesson, we will learn 96 words which occur almost 27,800 times in the Quran. Make sure to use TPI, that is, hear it, see it, think it, say it, show it, love it, and do it together. We will learn 4 words. هذه هؤلاء تلك أولئك. These are feminine forms. So هذه, for example, for the girl. So هذه, this. Use your left hand for TPI and show at something closer to you. So can you repeat after me? Left hand, one finger. هذه, this. هذه, this. هؤلاء, these. هؤلاء, these. تلك, that. Tilka, that, and make sure that you point out at something far away from you. So tilka, that. Tilka, that. Ulaika, those. Ulaika, those. You may have noticed that plural of hada is haulai and dhalika is ulaik. Here also plural of hadihi is haulai and tilka is ulaik. So repeat after me. Hadihi, this. Hadihi, this. هؤلاء, these. هؤلاء, these. تلك, that. تلك, that. أولئك, those. أولئك, those. Can you translate with actions? هذه, this. هؤلاء, these. تلك, that. أولئك, those. Now repeat after me in Arabic only. هذه هؤلاء. هذه هؤلاء. تلك أولئك. تلك أولئك. هذه هؤلاء. هذه هؤلاء. تلك أولئك. تلك أولئك. MashaAllah, these 4 words occur in the Quran almost 350 times. Now let us use these words in sentences. So we will say هذه مسلمة, for this is a Muslim girl or Muslim sister, Muslim woman, or so on. For example, we say هذه مسلمة, this is a girl or this is a Muslim woman. So can you repeat after me? هذه مسلمة. هذه مسلمة. هؤلاء مسلمات. هؤلاء مسلمات. تلك مسلمة. تلك مسلمة. أولئك مسلمات. أولئك مسلمات. MashaAllah. And now can you answer me by saying yes or نعم. أهذه مسلمة؟ نعم هذه مسلمة. أهؤلاء مسلمات؟ نعم هؤلاء مسلمات. أتلك مسلمة؟ نعم تلك مسلمة. أولئك مسلمات؟ نعم أولئك مسلمات. MashaAllah. That's it for now. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.